I keep going to the river to pray, 'cause I need something that can wash out the pain. And I'm sleeping all these demons away, but your ghost, the ghost of you, it keeps me awake.
Hi guys, it's Alyssa here, and I'm here, excuse me, to show you, like, if you play Minecraft, there's a black screen. Like, any game you play, there's a black screen, and you don't want that. You want to record for YouTube or whatever you'd like. So I will show you how to fix that problem. You want to go to Settings, you want to go General, Accessibility, you want to go down to Excessive Touch, turn it on. Should be this thing over here. You want to go back. Then you go into your game. I'll open it, for example. I'll open Minecraft. It might take a little while to load, but it works. Let's go into a quick world. But except, let's just say Minecraft, because I usually use it in Minecraft. It takes a little while to load, but obviously it works. Problem still is it's gonna work on the other side. Like, it's gonna tilt a bit when you're playing your video, but it's better than making it go black. Like, there's nothing really bad about it. I like to play my games and record them. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and it helps a lot. So please like and subscribe. Hope this helped. I really did. Yeah, bye.